Hi and welcome to your next car and a walk around video for the 2016 66 Reg 420D M Sport Coupe in Melbourne Red. Alongside the exquisite Melbourne Red exterior colour, the vehicle does also feature a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit alongside the fantastic 666 competition style alloy wheels, which are of course all brand new with brand new tyres. Sitting just behind those you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes, and on this Coupe 4 Series we do have the full M Sport Plus package. We've got angel eye and xenon headlamps, sorry. You'll see there just how well the gloss black and Melbourne Red works together. Down the side of the car you'll see just how clean and tidy this example is. You'll also see the sun protection glazing on the rear windows. We've got body colour air breathers on this car, which again works really well in contrast with the exterior additions ourselves have made. We've got a really nice Oyster Dakota leather, which of course also comes with the heated and electric lumbar options, and again has been kept in really great condition. Thanks once again to the M Sport Plus package, we do of course get the Harman Kardon surround sound. It does also feature the magnificent 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and the rear seats do also have the Isofix rear bench with a central folding armrest, and that looks like that's barely ever been sat in. And again, working in contrast with that lighter interior colour is our darkened M Sport headlining. Moving around to the rear of the car, again showing you off those fantastic 20-inch wheels. You'll see there a nice amount of concave, and of course those standout very special M Sport Plus brakes. Round at the back we've opted to go for both the high gloss rear spoiler and matching rear diffuser. And I'll open up the boot so you can take a look at just how big the boot space is for a two-door coupe vehicle. You do also get split folding seats. Whilst you take a look around there, it is of course worth mentioning, currently here at Your Next Car we are running under the click and collect service. If you would like to know more about how that's working, simply follow those links down below in the description. From there it will take you through to the website. You can view more about that and of course find out more about this wonderful looking two-door coupe vehicle. You can find out more about the prices and funding options available, of which we do of course have many, and we'll hop on board now and take you through more of this vehicle's information, beginning with the professional wide navigation and media screen. From there you do of course control everything in regards to your sat nav, which is a really user-friendly system. There is also real-time traffic updates to ensure you're on that fastest route possible. We've got both Bluetooth telephone and audio on this car, along with DAB. Included with the Bluetooth audio there is also your USB, your AUX inputs, as well as the really clever, very nice to use music collection system, so you can store and rip all of your existing media to the car. Down here you'll find the dual climate controls along with the switches for the heated seats. In terms of its mileage, it's covered at just over 51,000 miles, as you can see there, and as I've mentioned, it is an exceptionally clean and tidy example of arguably one of the best colour combinations, certainly in my opinion. You get cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all on a very nice multi-function M Sport steering wheel, along with the very nice flappy paddles. In terms of the vehicle service information, we'll hop through and show you that now. As you can see, everything is currently in green, and the next oil service for the car is not due for 4,900 miles, and there is also 2 services from BMW as well. So thank you for taking the time to watch one of our walk-arounds. I do hope you've enjoyed it and of course been able to find it useful. Again, if you would like some more information on the car, it's very simple. Just simply follow those links, that will take you through to our website, and from there you can view all that should be required. Or alternatively, simply give us a call. Thank you very much. Do of course take care, and we'll look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. Bye bye.